Apple plans to enter the foldable phone market with its first ever foldable iPhone. Rumored as iPhone Fold. Expected to launch next year. The Supreme Court backed the Army's decision to fire a Christian officer who refused to enter a Gurudwara during a ceremony, calling him cantankerous and a misfit. Global private equity firm KKR and Canadian investment fund PSP Capital have invested in Indian education services provider Lighthouse Learning Group. President Draupadi Murmu will lead celebrations at Central Hall in the old Parliament building on November 26, marking Constitution Day since 2015. China denies allegations that an Indian woman from Arunachal Pradesh was harassed at Shanghai airport, saying actions taken were according to laws and regulations. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee wants BJP over controversy surrounding Bengal Sur, vowing to defend the state. The Hailey-Gubbi volcano eruption has caused flight disruptions in India due to a volcanic ash cloud, affecting the Gujarat-Rajasthan region and extending into Haryana, Delhi in China, but will remain limited to the upper troposphere. The Supreme Court upheld the dismissal of a Christian army officer who refused to enter a temple sanctum, citing secular institution and compromised discipline. The Supreme Court adjourned the hearing of Maharashtra local body elections till Friday after the state sought time to consult with the State Election Commission, following tech giants' AI-related layoffs. Apple has reportedly let go of some employees in its sales team, amid rising efficiency through automation. The 2025 Tata Sierra is launched with 4 variants: Smart Plus, Pure, Adventure, and Accomplished. It starts at ₹11.49 lakh. Ex-showroom Pan-India. The Royal Enfield Himalayan 750's production model may debut in late 2026 or early 2027, following its global unveil next year, with an India launch expected around the same time. Meta is releasing its new smart glasses, developed in partnership with Oakley, in India next month now. The glasses combine Meta's hardware with Oakley's frame aesthetics. Indian singer Palak Muchal visits her brother Palash, who is in the hospital after their wedding with cricketer Smriti Mandhana was postponed due to a family medical emergency. Salina Jaitley Haque files domestic violence case against husband Peter Haque in Mumbai court, alleging abuse, cruelty, and manipulation. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma declares singer Zubeen Garg's death in Singapore was a premeditated murder, stating one person is responsible and others aided them. Bollywood legend Jaya Bachchan regrets not acting in Sholay opposite Dharmendra, calling him a Greek god. The US supports Israel's right to self-defense after an IDF strike in Lebanon killed Hezbollah's military chief of staff, with the White House expressing solidarity. India's Russian oil imports will reach a 3-year low in December due to Western sanctions, as refiners opt for alternatives. Michelle Obama's latest photo shoot has sparked online speculation about her weight loss, with some fans attributing it to medication Ozempic used for type 2 diabetes management. Elon Musk's X feature revealing account locations has stirred controversy in India, with politically active accounts critical of the government found to be based abroad. Chinese researchers simulated a blackout on Starlink network over Taiwan, raising concerns about potential conflicts in the region. They have been developing countermeasures to disrupt space access constellation. Pauline Hanson, a senator campaigning for a national burqa ban, has been barred from parliament for wearing a Muslim garment in the chamber. White House says President Trump has a nuanced and common-sense opinion on H-1B visas, ensuring American workers aren't replaced. Real Madrid goalkeeper Thibaut Courtois will miss Wednesday's match against Olympiacos due to gastroenteritis. According to a medical report, Indian cricketers like Shaw, Akashdeep, and Venkatesh Iyer aim to impress at the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy ahead of IPL auction in T20 World Cup. Former captain Alex Stewart supports England's decision not to send players from the Perth Test to a tour game in Canberra, citing loyalty to their initial team selection. Coach Syed Zabiullah transformed hyperactive Smaran Ravichandran into an all-format talent. Currently in a purple patch with 595 runs in 5 matches. The T20 World Cup 2026 schedule and venues have been announced, featuring a 20-team format with 4 groups, to be released on November 25 for Indian viewer. The Women's Premier League 2026 has set a budget of ₹41 crore, with franchises looking to spend on players like Smriti Mandhana and Jemimah Rodriguez in a upcoming mega